With the Assignments tool in Sakai, instructors can assign, collect, grade, and return student work. To create a new assignment, navigate to the Assignments tool and click the Add tab. Be aware that fields marked with an asterisk are required. Enter a name for the assignment in the title field and enter detailed instructions in the rich text editor. To add a file, such as a PDF or Microsoft Word document, click the Add Attachments button and follow the process. Under Availability, set the open date, due date, and accept until date. To do so, click the text field or the calendar icon, select a date from the calendar, use the minus and plus buttons at the bottom to adjust the time, and click Done. To allow late submissions, set the accept until date to be after the due date. Otherwise, these two should match. Under Student Submissions, click the Submission Type drop-down and select an option. The default option, Inline and Attachments, allows students to submit their work through the rich text editor, as well as attach files. Alternatively, the submission type can be set as Inline Only or Attachments Only. Non-electronic is for assignments that are collected during class, and Single Uploaded File Only is for accepting only one attachment. Under Assign To, the option Each Individual Member of the Site is selected by default. This will make the assignment available to all students. The other two options can be used if groups have been created in the Site Info tool. Use the second option to restrict the assignment to specific groups. This requires each student in the selected groups to complete the assignment. Use a third option for group assignments. This requires one member of each group to submit the assignment on behalf of the group. Under Submission Notification Email Options, the option Do Not Send is selected by default. To receive notifications when students submit an assignment, select one of the other options. Under Turnitin Familiarity Checking, check Use Turnitin to enable this feature. More details about Turnitin are available in the PLU knowledge base. Under Grading, the option Grade this assignment is enabled by default, and Points is set as the grade scale. To change the grade scale, click the drop-down and select an option. Be aware that the points grade scale needs to be selected in order for the assignment score to count towards the course grade, as well as to appear in the gradebook. Enter the maximum number of points for this assignment in the Max Points field. To grade the assignment using a rubric, select the option Use the following rubric to grade this assignment. Then, click the drop-down and select a rubric. The maximum points will appear next to each rubric title. The point value for the assignment and the rubric must match to avoid distorting student grades. To view a rubric, click the Preview Rubric button. More information on the Rubrics tool is available in our other videos and the PLU knowledge base. To add the assignment to the gradebook, select the option Send Grades to the Gradebook. Then, select Create New Gradebook Item. Be aware that creating a gradebook item in this way will require the assignment to be graded within the Assignments tool instead of through Gradebook. If an item for this assignment is already in the gradebook, select the option Associate with Existing Gradebook Item. With this option, grades can be entered through the Assignments tool or the gradebook. To allow students to evaluate and grade the work of their classmates, select the option Use Peer Assessment. Under Release Grade Notification Email Options, select whether students will receive an email notification when the grade for this assignment is released to them. To see how the assignment will display to students, click the Preview button at the bottom of the page. To save it as a draft and return to editing later, click Save Draft. When ready to publish, click Post. Drafts and posted assignments will appear in the assignments list. More information about the Assignments tool can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU knowledge base.